Welcome to our QuickBooks Online tutorial. Today, we're focusing on making a journal entry for depreciation. Depreciation accounts for the decrease in value of an asset over time. We'll create a journal entry to reflect this, ensuring our financial statements accurately represent the value of our assets. We'll be recording a $1,000 depreciation for office equipment. This type of entry is crucial for tracking asset wear and tear, affecting tax deductions and business valuation. Let's begin by clicking the New button. Select Journal Entry from the drop-down menu. If you don't have an accumulated depreciation equipment account, you'll need to create one. Go to Settings, choose Chart of Accounts, and click New. Enter Accumulated Depreciation Equipment. As the account name, select Other Expense for the account type, and Depreciation for the detail type. Then, save your new account. Now, let's record the depreciation. Debit the depreciation expense account with $1,000, reflecting the cost of the equipment's use over the year. Credit the accumulated depreciation equipment account with the same amount. This offsets the asset's value on your balance sheet without affecting your cash flow. Include a memo, Annual Depreciation for Office Equipment. This helps clarify the purpose of the journal entry. Review your entry for accuracy. Once you're ready, click Save and Close. Your journal entry for depreciation is now recorded. If you need to add multiple journal entries into QuickBooks, you can try integrations like Saasant Transactions, which allows you to bring journal entries from Excel into QuickBooks. If you have a lot of journal entry data that needs to be imported to QuickBooks, try Saasant Transactions. Thousands of accounting professionals use this application daily for simplified invoice management and other accounting processes.